first leg of our journey to Chicago. It is Thursday morning. We have a concert tomorrow night, Mark Anthony, just outside of Chicago at the Allstate Arena. So we just drove through a massive snowstorm to get to Chicago. We ended up stopping here in Madison because it was already a 5-hour drive and it was already getting to be past midnight. So we decided we should pull off and get some rest. Check out the travel breakfast. Right. Boiled eggs. And hotel can. Towards Chicago. Now we're going through rain. All the way through Minnesota was pretty heavy snow. Now we're in rain. Finally we see the buildings of Chicago. Yipper! That's been a lot of driving. Alright, we're at our hotel. We're on the 13th floor. That's what the room looks like. It's a Talbot Hotel. Nice step-in shower. Clean bathroom. It's nice. Alright, here we go. Talbot Hotel, Chicago, Illinois. Cute little hotel phone. That's what the hallway looks like. Marker there or what? And going down. Alright, we just gotta find Frontera. So let's pull up our map and we'll figure it out. Alright, going through the square here. Obviously it doesn't look so awesome in the winter. So the hotel we're staying at has a valet parking and it's in and out system. So that's pretty nice. All we gotta do is let them know when we're picking up and they'll bring the car to us. We're on the corner of Huron and Clark. Hitting the lights really good. We haven't stopped at one yet. That's good. It's cold out here. There's Blue Chicago on Clark. There. Fado's Irish Pub. And we should be coming up to Frontera here pretty quick. Sounds of the city. Frontera. Right here. There we go. Rick Basin. Cappuccino and the sugar came and it's only sugar substitute. No real sugar. Not good. Okay, so that's queso fundido, and it took 7 minutes from the time we ordered, so not too bad. We're going to give it a try.
There you go. That's how you do it in Chicago.
Okay, so this is a yuca de tamal. This one here is enchilada de puerco. That's Rick Bayless. Yeah. Just want to start at Frontera. Yeah.
Oh, that's him now, probably, right? I mean, those pictures pretty like. Okay, Damas. Oh wow, look at this! Look at this. James Beard. Look at this. Look at that. But this is all old stuff.
Okay, so that was our experience at Frontera, Rick Bayless's place. Overall, very good. I had a clean plate, so clean plate is a happy plate. That's what I say. I don't really, again, I'm not a big fan of this 20% service charge stuff. It's just ridiculous. And also the fact that we ordered 2 cappuccinos and we got sugar substitute instead of real sugar, and they didn't ask if we wanted regular sugar. So I don't know if they're not good at filling up their sugar caddies or what it is, but that's my take on that. So otherwise, there's Gordon Ramsay's burger place. Didn't even notice that when we were driving past here. So Redhead Piano Bar. We've been in there before. It's a pretty cool place. It's like an old speakeasy. There you go. Gordon Ramsay Burger, huh? Well, I might have to go walk in there and check it out. Just walking our way down toward our hotel again, just to get a bearing of how our hotel is sitting compared to the area we're going to walk around. So, Whole Foods Market, there you go, Chicago. I'm gonna have to go in there and walk around a little bit and check it out. Check this place out. This is called Oh Sushi. Oh Shamba. I don't know. Oh Shambu. I don't know. Anyway, look at that conveyor sushi. They got some seaweed there, salad. Wow, look at that, huh? Looking good. Don't know that we'll be checking that place out, but looks cool. So we're in Potash Market here, and it's a really cool place, honestly. You can even see how fresh the avocado is in there. So that looks really good too. Veggie roll. Look at the rolls. They look really, really fresh. Oh, that's cool.
Okay.
Sashimi. Nice. Let's go see what else they got over here. All kinds of pastries and cheese. Salads. Pre-made foods. Meat department looks good. Like that. Got some hot soups. Oh, hot soup and stuff too. Got all the wine and liquor here. It's just the normal grocery store look to it, otherwise. Frozen section. All pizzas and stuff. Never seen that one before. Masa. It's masa. Square pizza, that's kind of cool. Haven't seen one of those in the store. Here you go. Frontera. He has his own food line too. Rick Bayless. All right, hotel is on Delaware Place, and here we are.
Okay, so what?
All right, so there's the Talbot Hotel, across the street over there. So, yeah, nice little walk down to Frontera. A little lunch, and now it's on to shopping. We are approaching Michigan Avenue. Lots of shopping, lots of interesting people down in this area usually. So, and the lake is straight ahead of us, correct?
Yeah.
So straight down that way is Lake Michigan, and here we are, right on Michigan.
This way.
I might actually go into the North Face over there.
Really?
Yeah, I'm gonna see if they have any under garment to put underneath this stuff while it's this cold in here. I think it might make a lot of sense.
Okay. Then I will probably go there for relaxing in this area. Just sort of table in. See, level 3.
Oh, nice. I definitely might have to go check that out. I'm going into this mall here on Michigan Avenue. It's right off of the Delaware. So it's indoor mall. I want to go check out Sur La Table. It's up on the 3rd floor. All right, I'm heading up. Yep. All right, so I'm here at Sur La Table. Cool store. I'm gonna look around a little bit more. Right now I'm looking for a crepe pan that will work on my induction stove, because I had to get rid of my other one. It's made out of aluminum. So these are really cool mills, salt and pepper mills. I don't know if you can see that, but I saw them online before and then I couldn't find them again, but they have them here. And they are right now 20% off of $30. All right. We have to think about it for a minute. Oh gosh, works really good. I think I'm buying some of these. I've been looking for a new mill for the longest time. I had to get rid of my other ones because they just went to junk. It's been so long since I found anything that was really good. All right, I'm gonna cross Michigan Avenue here. Just got done shopping at Sur La Table. I got some pepper salt mills and a new crepe pan. So now I'm gonna go over to check out the North Face store. Let's see if I can find an undergarment to go underneath my shirt. Something made of wool, I hope, because I need warmer stuff. Let's go find a men's department. Well, check North Face out. They do have base layers, but it's not what I'm looking for. I need some merino wool. That's what I need. That's a good base layer. I have one of those at home, but not doing me much good here. Anyway, I'm gonna walk down toward the lake. All right, down here by the lake. A lot of traffic. So in the background, you can see that Ferris wheel down there. That should be the Navy Pier area. Well, I'm gonna run back to the hotel room and drop my bag off because it's a little heavy with this new crepe pan that I picked up. It's really nice though. And I got a chef discount. So I like it a lot. All right, Chicago gear. I need something for my face. It's so cold. The wind is blowing hard. Anyway, that's how I'm geared up today. Got my shopping, a little bit in. Service table. Love that place. Sad they took it out of Minnesota. But anyway, hopefully it's coming again. See you guys soon. Gotta drop this bag off. Get back on the road. We're on our way to Girl and the Goat. Downtown Chicago at nighttime. Let's give you a little idea of what it looks like. Alright, if you're wondering what this interesting bridge is up above our heads, that is a rail system that runs through Chicago. All right, I found a place to park down here near Girl and the Goat. Extremely busy area. Great area to park though, but nowadays there's no parking attendants. You just text the number in and then you have to add in all your credit card information to get the thing set up. So that's what it looks like right there. Text to pay. That's how we did it. All right, let's get down to the restaurant. Now you're gonna have to decide what to eat next.
Oh my god.